Jack. Nice to meet you guys. You guys have ever seen an interesting feature on Hahalolo yet? Oh, that is bonus point. This feature almost isn't on other social apps currently. Getting bonus extra point either bring us connection between users or show off that Hahalolo is an informal organization that respects the authors of posts. I usually using my bonus point for friends and articles with good content. Moreover, you can change your bonus point for money. Hahalolo's security and reputation are so cool that it's easy to deposit and withdraw money from your bonus point. Right? Let's create a healthy and happy environment on social network Hahalolo.